Okay guys, this is how to make a paper squishy. So first you need either loose leaf paper or just a plain piece of white paper. Sorry to interrupt, I just wanted to show you some of the squishies I made. A backpack, you can actually fit stuff in it. Some of my notebooks, Starbursts. And my favorite, the Little Bites. It's really squishy. And I like this one too, it's there. So yeah, back on with the video. So, as I was saying, you can get either a loose leaf or a plain piece. I'm just going to do it loose leaf. And you're going to fold it in half. You might want to do the lighter lines on the outside. Like that. And you can draw any design, but it has to be on the fold. So my fold's right there. This part is open. So I'm going to do it on the fold. So you can draw anything. I'm just going to draw or write what you want to do. I put subscribe and a thumbs up. You can color it just like this. And then you cut on the sides. So then after you cut it up, you're going to tape two of the sides. Leave one side untaped. After you tape those two sides, you can fill it either with tissues, cotton, or anything like this that's kind of like a little like soft and fluffy. So fill it up with that. But if you have cotton balls, I suggest that you pull apart the cotton balls and not put a whole cotton ball. And then like that would just not make it that would make it not squishy and waste the cotton balls. And what I mean by that is just take one part and keep pulling it. Over and over until it's like this, so you don't waste. And then after you fill it with all the cotton, don't do too much, you're gonna tape that edge. After you tape it, if it's really squishy like that, you can start like crumbling it to make it like mine, but you don't have to. And then you can flatten it back out. So make sure to subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. So, bye!